everybody, and welcome back to another Cash Stuffing Sunday. We are in April and we are going to start off cash stuffing as we do every Sunday. Pretty self-explanatory. But before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe and do all the YouTubey things. Now, I have just read this and it said I'll come in at 130 was my original budget, which I had planned out, but that turns out that that's not going to be the case because I've made a little bit more, so we're going to be using that. So let's just go through it and see what we have. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, that's that. 10, 20, 30, 40, that's that. 5, 10, 15, 20. So we are coming in at 160 there, so it's £30 more than I had originally bargained for, which is actually fine because I need the money. So let's go for it. So, right, let's go for it. The first one is food, and that's getting 20. I'm going to try and stick to my budget this week and just stick to what I have in my cash stuffing while it's not using much more after that. Childcare is getting a tenner. I don't have much childcare fees this week, thank God, because I just, I've kept everything up to date. Council tax is getting 20. Which will help me massively next month. Water is also getting 20, which, again, these bills are all due at the end of the month, so it's good to get them out of the way. Music is also getting 20. Now I'm going to put that in as a tenner. No, I'm going to put that in as a £20 note. Leave that as it is. Because she owes me a £5, so that's that. Very is also getting a tenner. 10 Smackerinos. Argus is getting a tenner. I nearly have Argus paid off. I only have £70 left on it, so that's massive. And then I'm going to try and not do that again. Right, we have fuel. I already put fuel in the car, so I'm okay. Cubs. Now we'll leave that one there to one side for a minute because I'm going to put something into that. It also said that I should be putting in £10 into my saving fund for the 500. Which I'm going to take that out and put in a £20 note. And let's just mark that off as another tenner gone in. And then for, what was the next one? That's a save 500 insurance. Insurance is also going to get a tenner. Okay. So then that leaves me with 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 quid. So let me see, I might just... So I'm going to put a tenner into house fund, which I normally don't put into, but I'm going to start. We're going to start that one. Tenner is going into house fund. £5 is going to go into birthdays. Insurance has got that. Christmas isn't getting anything yet. Emergency, date night, we don't have them, so that's fine. Okay. Back to school and the rest of it. Yeah, we'll leave all of that. Now, going back into the Cubs. So I'm going to put 15 quid into the Cubs because that bill is due really soon. Right, so 15 quid is going into the Cubs. I have no penny saving challenge today because I actually didn't save anything. So that is it. I swear these cash stuffing Sundays are getting quicker and quicker. But at least that's done, and I had money left over, so that is fine. Just don't forget to mark it that you've done it. Yeah, there we go. That's it in the cash stuffing Sunday. I hope you have a good week money-wise and that everything works in your favour. And we'll come back again next Sunday and we'll stuff it all over again. And hopefully we haven't touched this too much this week. Alrighty folks, I'm going to love yous and leave yous. Have a great day, have a great week, and I'll talk to you next week. Bye. Mwah.